Welcome to Best with Rice, where we make the best dishes to go with rice. And today we're making butter chicken. We start with our chicken. You can probably use any part, but I'm very much a Thai guy. Add all of the marinade ingredients and make it sound good. Set aside for 2 to 4 hours. Then we give our chicken some color. I like to intentionally blacken some of it. I think the flavor is better, but do it however you like. Moving on to our sauce. Gently fry our spices in ghee, followed by some tomatoes, onions, garlic and ginger. Cook them until softened and then adjust with some chili powder, paprika and sugar. Mix all of that in. Add about a handful of cashew nuts and top it off with water. Simmer for 10 minutes. Next, transfer it to a blender and let it cool down a little before blending it into a smooth sauce. Back into the wok, put your thighs in the pool and simmer for 45 minutes. Be sure to stir every now and then as the sauce is quite thick and might burn on the bottom. Serve on top of some white rice with a drizzle of cream, a sprinkle of coriander leaves, and then we are done. I know I said this is best with rice, but that's actually cap. It's definitely better with naan. But is anyone gonna complain if you serve them this with rice? Anyone? Any complaining Chloes here?